the Tweetsie Railroad and a day out with Thomas. In just a minute, we'll be heading out into the wild frontier. Keeping you safe is mighty important, so be sure to keep your arms and head inside the cars at all times. There are 2 steam locomotives pulling this train today. If your head's hanging out, you might get a painful cinder in your eye. And make sure you stay in your seats while the train is moving. So sit back and enjoy yourself. Maybe you'll decide to come on out here and stake your claim to the new territory. You'll notice there's some cowpokes, deputies, and other characters riding with you. They'll be on hand to help in case you got any questions or problems. So get set. We'll be pulling out of the station right away.
All right, come on. Gotta get in the lap.
All aboard the Tweetsie Railroad. Thomas, Casey Jones, let's ride. The train is cleared.
It's just tuberculosis.
This trestle will be cut off from civilization for a while, so keep a sharp lookout. They don't call it a wild
my
west for
nephews
nothing.
will take care of y'all. If y'all got any questions, feel free to ask, all right?
People often ask me where the name Tweetsie originated. Well, you see, engine number 12 is the only surviving locomotive of the East Tennessee and Western North Carolina Railroad, which is helping Thomas pull our train today. The railroad ran daily
Just missed it
between Jefferson
as far as
City
showing
and
people zip lining, but then behind those trees they're zip lining.
The railroad Tweetsie started the sound of whistle made echoing through the air. stop at the train to find out what's going on. Hold on, folks. Be ready for anything.
That's a decent situation today.
Tense situation, huh?
So there's a situation down here every 40 or so minutes.
Very right, Edgy, very right.
Marshal?
Yeah.
Well, I ain't seen nary a soul. Where's them troopers at, huh?
Well, I just got here too, and I don't see none. Hopefully them red shirt bandits didn't hear about that gold shipment this morning.
What do you mean by bandits, Sheriff? You know, bandits, rain robbers, ne'er-do-wells, criminals. Bad guys!
Yeah, you know, maybe they're just misunderstood.
Misunderstood, huh? Well, I don't know. I think we ought to recruit us a little bit of help here, though, before we go in there. All right, everybody, raise your right hand. Repeat after me. I. Your name.
Your name.
Do promise.
Do promise.
To protect.
To protect.
The gold.
The gold.
And the folks on the train.
The folks on the train.
I hereby say y'all are deputized.
There you go.
Thomas, keep your eyes still on these two out here. You understand? Wait a
Hey,
minute.
what's wrong with you two?
Yeah, I don't know. Y'all keep your eyes still on these two, all right?
Hey, if y'all haven't seen them red shirt bandits, yell really, really loud for us, okay? I said okay? There we go.
Now's our chance to start robbing all that gold.
And after we get all that gold, we can rob every last one of these alone.
And no one is gonna stop us. Not you, not you, not you, and especially not you, Thomas. Oh. All right, let's see if we can get the drop on those pesky lawmen.
Yeah.
Room service.
Room service.
That big Joey told us.
Wait.
What? So what's all that yelling? Bandit? Where? Where? No, we were just came back.
There ain't no bandits in there.
What? Right there? Right there?
Right
Hey,
here.
George.
Okay, I'll take a
Hey,
look.
look.
There ain't nobody there.
There's no one back there. No, we were in there.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Okay, I'm gonna look again.
Let's take another gander.
There ain't nobody there.
Do what? Got
Look.
there. Are
I'll
you
look one more
sure?
time.
Third
Third
floor.
floor.
Here we go.
See, there ain't nobody there. Deputy, won't you reassure these good folks there ain't no red shirt bandits in that fort?
Oh, there ain't no red shirt bandits in that fort, okay?
I can read the sarcasm, and why is that so?
Well, Sheriff, I got something to tell you.
What?
There's bandits everywhere! What?
Oh,
Where?
you
Where they
can't.
at? Where they at?
Don't worry about it. There ain't no- Hey, you! You get back here!
Get back here! Aye, aye, going up.
Hey, where'd she go? What? Hey, you!
That's all right. I think I lost it. I think you got him. What? Right there.
Get back here!
I got that.
All
Get
right,
back here!
all three of you, get over here and calm down. That's a legendary Blue Scout.
I thank you, Thomas. I'm glad somebody knows what they're talking about. I've been guarding the fort while the troopers are on patrol. Looks like I got here just in time. You can see where the Thomas whistle does for these bad guys. I'd say your gold shipment and these passengers would save from these no-good bandits and their fancy red shirts.
Ha ha! Red! Like James!
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have important to protect.
Thank you, Blue Scout, and thank you, Thomas.
Alright, let's get these red shirt bandits back into town.
I can't wait to get back to town and tell Sarah Top-Hat.
All right, everyone, please return to your seats and have a great big round of applause for the Tweetsie Cowboys, Cowgirls, and Thomas for saving the day. Thank you, Thomas. Thomas,
Y'all
Mr.
should
Jones,
really-
I've had enough for today. Let's get this train on back to town.
You know, y'all should have really told us they was bandits.
Y'all should really turn your mics off.
Everybody okay?
Like I said, anything can happen out here in the Wild West. Thanks for your help, Thomas. We're a close call. Now let's head back before anything else goes haywire. train trip is just about over. And we hope you like what you saw. It's mighty fine country.
Welcome back to town, folks. Once again, please remain seated until the train is brought to a safe and complete stop. And the train cars have finished rolling backwards. At this time, it is safe to exit out the rear of your train car.